Greetings, fellow creators. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a fascinating technique that allows you to create mesmerizing illusion diffusion effects using AI. And the best part, it won't cost you a penny. Let's dive right in. Begin. Let's fire up Chrome. Next, search for Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion. Now, click on the first link that appears. Select the image you want to apply the illusion diffusion effect to. Next, click on Prompt to provide a prompt for the AI. Calstal. Adjust the illusion strength to achieve the desired effect. Once you're ready, click on Run to initiate the illusion diffusion process. Wait a mute. And there you have it. Your illusion diffusion effect is now complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI-powered creativity. Thanks for watching and happy illusion crafting!